Even though we were 10 years into marriage and we had 3 children at the time, it really felt like a lot of it had been a lie.
We had done such a good job of making everything look like it was in this pretty package with a nice shiny bow on top. So if we could just not address the issues that were underlying, then it would be okay.
Multiple cases of infidelity on my part, 1 case of infidelity on Whitney's part. It was really bad. I mean, we were in real bad shape. We went into the workshop with no clue how to move forward.
I came in scared. I came in hopeless. I came in angry.
We had been to 3 different marriage counselors in the first 10 years of our marriage. We got like 1 decent takeaway. There was just so much pain, so much hurt. It just seemed impossible.
And for me, I guess I just felt, why not? It can't hurt anything. Just go listen. If we walk away with something great. I'm an optimist, so I guess I just kind of assumed that there would be something to take away, and there was a lot to take away from that.
We left with, for the first time really, a picture of what it would look like to get past this.
I learned that it's okay not to be okay. But what's just as important is it's not okay to stay there. It's either going to work itself out, which is unrealistic, or we need to walk away, which we didn't want to do. Then we have to do something. And so our something was going to this workshop.
It helps so much with just relationship skills. Learning effective ways to communicate with each other helped us to be more understanding, be more respectful.
To walk away with some tactics, I guess, on how to communicate intentionally with real conversation, not just logistics, but you walk away with tools, and those tools allow you to take the next right step.
We're sitting here 7 years later, and it is a daily impact on our marriage, on our children. Regardless of how lost, how broken, how hopeless you believe the circumstance is, if you're just willing to invest a little bit of time, it's incredible the long-lasting impact that it can have.